Accessing the users folder on Mac is actually very easy, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is navigate to the desktop. Now once you're on the desktop, you're going to need to load up the Finder application. So we're going to go to the bottom here and we're going to click on Finder. Now once our Finder loads up, by default ours loads up to recent. Once it loads up, whilst the Finder is open, we're going to go to the top left of our screen. So it says the Finder is open and we're going to go to the Go option. Now right on the Go, we're going to click on Computer. Now what this does is it takes you to the root folder of your MacBook. So now you can see we have Macintosh HD and we have network. We're going to click on Macintosh HD, and right after clicking on Macintosh HD, we have our users folder right here. Now we can click on the users folder and we can see the folders in the users folder. Now that's how to access users folder on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.